Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to make Instagram content that drives engagement. Let's get right into it. To create Instagram content that drives engagement, focus on these key strategies. Number 1. High quality engaging visuals. Use eye-catching photos and videos. Prioritize good lighting and clear visuals. Number 2. Interactive content. Use Instagram stories, polls, quizzes, and question stickers. Host live Q&A sessions. Number 3. Compelling captions. Ask questions to encourage comments. Tell stories that resonate with your audience. Use call to actions, CTAs, like tag a friend or comment below. Number 4. Consistent posting. Post regularly to stay top of mind. Post at optimal times when your audience is most active. Number 5. Utilize views. Create short, engaging videos with trending audio. Participate in challenges and trends. Number 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and direct messages. Like and comment on other accounts for posts. Number 7. Use relevant hashtags. Research and use hashtags that are relevant to your content. Mix popular and niche hashtags. Number 8. User-generated content, UGC. Repost content from your followers. Encourage followers to create content with a branded hashtag. Number 9. Run contests and giveaway. Offer prizes that are relevant to your audience. Require engagement as an entry requirement. Number 10. Storytelling. People love stories. Create content that have a narrative. By implementing these tactics, you can create Instagram content that encourage interaction and builds a strong community.